Quack goes side to side. Baby duck, baby duck.